What is up, YouTube? Chainsaw Man, chapter 80, motherfucking 3. Makini's still a bitch. I still hate that bitch. She put denji. Well, we got the breakdown last chapter. How much of a bitch that she is. And what she did to Denji, and how this has been a whole formulated plan that she's been doing since the motherfucking beginning, because she's a motherfucking bitch still. But he's gonna snap. I've been saying it for a couple chapters now. My man's gonna snap, lose his fucking mind, and off this bitch. I got some in my eyeball. Anyway, let's get right into this. Got Makima fixing her tie. But she's getting a little lint roller. Look at him. Look at her just walking around with Denji like that. Oh, they all just bow to her. Seraphim, Beam, Galar, Domino, Virtue, Power, Princey, Angel. They're all of your followers. They and I had differences in faith, but they put their lives on the line and fought to protect you. They have all been waiting for this day, the day of resurrection. Direct hit, breach. What is about to happen? Makima in sight, bro. Open up fire from the Saito squad. Suzuki squad. Stand by to alternate in 12 seconds. Anti-Makima squad, get ready. Bro, is he really coming through like that, bro? Okay, they shot her, but she ain't dead. We've seen this before. Forgive me. Get ready. Hell Devil. Kill Makina and cast her into hell. Yo! They just slit... They just... Bro! Bro! Save me, Chainsaw Man? Bro! Hold the fuck on. Wait. Was that one of her fucking organs that just fucking went into his abdomen? It's up to you, Hell Devil. Bro. Okay. Now the Hell Devil's there. Denji. Oh, he's pulling the string. He's pulling the string, bro. Bro. Oh! Whoa! Yo! What? Wait. Hold up. What? Has he got fucking 4 arms? Did I miss something? And then he just cut through that motherfucker. Bro. That fucking last panel, bro. Bro, he's beefy. He's beefy as fuck. Bro. I mean, Denji's strong as hell, bro. Bro. The absolute loss of dialogue. Like, this chapter is fucking creepy. Like, there's not a lot of dialogue usually in Chainsaw Man chapters. Like, it's not a heavily word-written fucking manga. You know what I'm saying? But, like, no, like, Denji didn't say a word. He was in more than half the chapter and he didn't say a word. Like more than half the panels. You know what I'm saying? Didn't say a fucking word. Bro. Makina is the biggest bitch of the bitches bitching about the bitches, man. She's a bitch. My man Denji, bro. I feel so bad for him. Oh, man. I don't even know what else to say. I really don't. I don't know, guys. I'll be back next week again for Chainsaw Man. I usually do it on Mondays, but I had a lot of shit going on yesterday. So I'll be back on Monday. Chainsaw Man reaction. Get it popping. Like, subscribe, do that gay shit, whatever. Thank you for watching.